Do you want to impress your friends with calisthenics? Well, today in this video, I'm going to teach you 4 cool skills that anybody can learn. Elbow lever. Starting with the elbow lever, if you can do at least 10 perfect push-ups, you have more than enough strength to do the skill, because this is more of a balance skill. You want to make sure your hands are turned out to the side, with your fingers slightly spread out. Practice digging your elbows into your abs, because that's the main way you're going to balance. Once you get that motion down, you can go ahead and attempt the skill. Just make sure your core is engaged and your wrists are warmed up. Now, if that's too hard, you can try with the straddle position or with tucked legs. Once you get used to the straddle, it's as simple as closing your legs after that. Kong push-ups. To do this, you need to learn explosive push-ups. It's basically pushing yourself off the ground with your explosive strength. To learn explosive push-ups, you need to train push-ups with your reps as fast and explosive as possible. Once you're able to do at least 10 explosive push-ups, Kong push-ups should be a breeze. Remember, most of these skills I'm about to teach you is about committing instead of them being actually hard. Skin the cat. It's all about getting a bar. Make sure your grip is tight, because the tighter the grip, the more stability you'll have upside down. Next, you want to practice bring your knees to your chest. Every time you try, you want to drop your knees further back. Once you get used to that movement, the next part is the hardest part, and that is the full send. When I was learning this skill for the first time, I was actually kind of scared to do it. But when I actually decided to fully commit, it was a lot easier than I thought. Tiger bend push-ups. This last one is probably the easiest one in the video. The strength requirement is only 10 push-ups. Practice the motion to bring your elbows up and down, sliding them against the ground. Next, you can practice the skill on your knees. Once you get used to this motion, then you can practice it without the knees with proper form. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That was 4 easy calisthenics skills that you can learn right now. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all in the next. Peace out.